Hello, welcome along. Gary here, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to take my boat out, which is just over there, looking absolutely stunning in this sunshine. And we're going to go down the Hamble, because obviously I'm berthed in the Hamble, towards the Solent, turn left, east, in the Solent, and head towards Priory Bay. So please come with me towards Priory Bay, and I'll show you some sights and some scenes of the Solent and the Hamble on our way. But just take a look at the boat. Isn't she looking stunning in the sunshine? Come on, let's go on board. We're going up the River Hamble today and hopefully get into Priory Bay on the Isle of Wight. Enjoy the views of the Hamble, and then we'll be in the Solent, and then we'll make passage towards Priory Bay. I just thought I'd point out some interesting places along the Hamble as we wander up here. So over there, as we've just reached Port Hamble Marina, there's the fuel berth just over there, and also just there, if you could see it, that's the Hamble lifeboats. That's the red building there. Fantastic independent lifeboat that serves the Hamble and Southampton Water, the Solent, that sort of area. Independent lifeboat. Fantastic job they do. If you can support them, please do so. Two important things, obviously, down the Hamble. Hamble lifeboat being the most important, and the fuel being probably the second important, because without the fuel you'll probably require Hamble lifeboat. Anyway, there's a few more things just up here on my left-hand side, on the port-hand side. We're coming up to Warsash, and I'll point that out in a second. And on the right-hand side is Hamble Point Marina, as we get towards the end of the River Hamble. So as we approach Warsash, as we're coming out of the Hamble, on the left-hand side there, that white and black building there is the Hamble Harbour Master building, keeping an eye on us all as we trundle up the Hamble. That white and black building there, and just alongside of it, you might be able to see it, that red roof building is the Rising Sun Pub. So here we are then, just approaching the end of the Hamble. There's the Red Jet on its way from Southampton to West Cowes, just coming out of the Southampton Water. To my starboard side is Southampton Water. In the distance there you can see a red funnel ferry, and then to the port side is the open seas, effectively, of the Solent. We're going to turn to port, head towards Portsmouth, and then Priory Bay. I'll catch you in a minute. So here I am cruising at 24 knots in the middle of the Solent. Oh, it's just a fantastic smooth day out here. Just amazing. Over there is the Isle of Wight. Over there is the mainland, that's Stokes Bay, Hillhead, Gotham area. And I'm heading towards at 25 knots, heading towards Priory Bay. Well, that's my ultimate goal. That's my passage goal, is Priory Bay. Well, here we are then as we creep towards Priory Bay. There's Bembridge Lifeboat Station over there. Not sure if you can see that on camera. Bembridge is just round the corner over there, and that's Priory Bay. So we're going to go and try and anchor up there, and maybe even get a swim. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous sandy beach of Priory Bay. So hopefully I'm going to drop anchor now, and I might even go for a little swim. I am in the water. There's the boat. Leaving the boat behind. Goodbye, boat. I will be back. It's actually not as cold in this water as you initially think. Priory Bay, baby. So here we are then, Priory Bay. Only a few metres to go before the sand. Well, before the beach, sorry. And there's the boat just out there, look at that. Just sat there looking amazing. Anchored up in Priory Bay. Do I keep saying Priory Bay? Yeah. As we head towards the beach. Look at this. So nice. Well, here we are, actually on terra firma. on the beach. So I've just walked from my boat, which is over there somewhere. There's people in the way at the moment, so I can't show you. Onto this lovely, stunning beach. Priory Bay, look at that. Just amazing. Just amazing. Oh, there's my boat. See in the distance, just over there? Sat there looking shining after being polished. And there's a few more boats here, but not as busy as it can get. And right over there is the mainland. And this, of course, is the Isle of Wight. Lovely sandy beach, look at that. Should have brought my bucket and spade. Just look at the sand. Look at that sand. Amazing. And the view, fantastic. Okay, let's get back to Carefree then. Just gonna get in this lovely water now and wander back. Yes, the tide's coming a little bit. I was actually only on the beach for 5-10 minutes, and yet look how much it's come in. It's up to there. It wasn't up to there when I left the boat, but there she is. There's Carefree, waiting for me to arrive. I actually think I'm gonna have to swim. Just this little bit here, just between here and there. But I'm currently on tiptoes, still in the sand, currently on tiptoes, but look where the water is. It's up to there. When I left, it was nothing like this. I know, I might be able to make it. Let's have a look. There we go. Just up to my shoulders and neck now. Oh, tiptoes, come here, boat. She's trying to get away from me, look. Spinning in the little breeze. Spinning the wrong direction. Come here. Oh, yes. There we go. There's the ladder. So no, I didn't have to swim. Just about on the ladder. Oh yes. Yes. Back on board. Just. So I've just left Priory Bay, you can probably see it behind me somewhere there. And I'm heading towards Portsmouth Harbour. And just here, that's no man's land fort. So we're going to head towards Portsmouth Harbour. And over in the distance there, you might be able to see it, is Portsmouth Harbour somewhere there. Yes. Well, here I am just entering Portsmouth Harbour. There's Spinnaker Tower just there. There's the aircraft carrier, if you can see that. There's Warrior. There's the round tower of Portsmouth. And I'm just slowly entering Portsmouth Harbour now. It's a lovely calm day. Not sure if you can see this on the camera. Look at these two rig boats here. I think they're drones. They seem to be unmanned and they're coming into Portsmouth Harbour. Very strange. As they come into Portsmouth Harbour unmanned. I think the boat behind them, this one, is actually private. Not entirely sure, but it looks like it. Look at that. Future boating. But here we are then, heading to Hasda Marina, just at the entrance of Portsmouth Harbour. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you like it, I will try and do another one. I hope you've enjoyed the Solent, the Hamble, and a little bit of Portsmouth Harbour. I'm just going to give them a shout on the radio now. I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.